we're going to be doing pavement marking. Keep watching the video, I'll show you how we do it. Welcome back, it's Jeff Lepard from doitallsealing.com, and on this channel we do paving, asphalt repair, concrete, general contracting, and much more. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. So we've got a number of things to do today. We've got some accessible parking areas, we've got some hatch markings for some walkways, we have a stop bar to do, and some standard parking lines. So we're just going to get started. First thing I need to do is I'm first going to start with the accessible parking area and the walkway. I'm going to grab the blower and give it a quick blow to make sure the area is clean. Now that the area is clean, I'm going to lay down the accessible parking stencil and use my chalk just to outline where I'll be applying the blue traffic paint. So before I lay down the blue traffic paint, I just noticed that my line painter will run into the blue. So what I want to do is I'm just going to finish the hatched areas where the walkway is first. So I'm just going to go over the existing spots where they were previously, and then that's going to allow me then to put down the blue, and I'm not going to interfere with each other. Now we finished the hatch area, we're ready to apply the blue traffic paint. So you can use the line painter to apply this, but I'm going to use the roller. I only have 2 to apply, and the white paint is already into the line painter, and I don't need to spend a lot of time trying to switch paints. So I'm just going to apply it by roller. We're going to give a little bit of time for the blue paint to dry. So we're going to do the stop bar, and we've already blocked off this laneway because it's only a one-way laneway exit. So we had to use pylons to block that off. So I'm ready to paint the stop bar, and we're going to get started right now. So we're at our next section. We have a curved part of the roadway, and we're just going to mark out the starting point where I'm going to start the lines. We have 5 parking stalls to do, and I'm just going to go over the existing lines. I can see where the lines are starting, so I'm just going to go ahead and put a mark there, right here. Parking stencil down and spray that. So that's it. That's another completed job for Do It All Sealing. Just want to thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, bash that bell to turn notifications on for all upcoming videos. Give us a thumbs up and like our video. Share the video and leave a comment down below. And we'll see you next time from DoItAllSealing.com. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.